everyone, welcome to day 6 of our STEM summer camp. My name is Connie Young and I'm a rising senior going to Liberty High School.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm also a rising senior going to Friends High School.
So welcome to day 6 of our STEM summer camp. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out our other STEM camp YouTube videos and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
So today we're making a paper rocket. So the first step, the materials you need is a large piece of paper, just like a regular sheet of paper, a straw, and some tape.
Okay, so the first step is you're gonna grab your piece of paper and fold it in half. So hamburger style. And then along the crease, you're gonna use your scissors and cut along the crease.
So you should end up with half a sheet of paper like this. It doesn't really matter which type of paper you use. It can be construction paper or just regular paper.
So you're gonna put aside one half, and then using this one, you're gonna fold it in half again. And then use your scissors to cut along the crease. So you should end up with a piece of paper looking like this.
So now the next step is to take the half sheet of paper that you cut. So this should be your quarter sheet of paper. And then take your straw, and then you're gonna wrap the paper around the straw so that it is like a tube around the straw. So make sure when you wrap the paper around the straw, it's not too tight or too loose. Just make sure the straw is still able to move within the tube. So it should look like this once you've wrapped it, and then make sure the straw can still move within the tube. And then all you have to do is just tape it together so that it doesn't become separate.
So just tape the tube, don't tape the paper to your straw.
Now, the next step is to just close one end of the tube like this. So it should be closed. And then you're gonna tape this side shut. But make sure you only do it to one side. So this one side should be closed while the other side is still open. Now we're gonna take the other sheet of paper that you didn't cut. So this sheet of paper, you should fold it in half as well. But don't cut this. We're gonna make the sides of the paper rocket. So on the side that is folded, cut the corners to make the sides of the paper rocket. So you just wanna cut the corner on one side like this. So you have a triangle shape. And then you want to do that to the other corner as well. But make sure you cut it on the side that is folded too. So you should have 2 sheets of paper that are triangle shaped, like this. Now okay, so now you're gonna tape the triangle by putting tape down the center of the triangle. So make sure it's down the center where you creased it. And then you're gonna tape it on this side, the other side. So all you have to do is lay the triangle flat on the end of the tube and just tape it so that it is secure. So now you just have 2 sides that are both secured onto the paper rocket tube. And then the final step is to just take your straw and put it through the tube. So once you put it through the tube, all you have to do is to just blow it and launch your paper rocket.
So thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed making our paper rocket.
Thank you guys so much for coming. Bye!
Bye!